In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow participants to record in Zoom meetings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enable so your attendees can save a local copy of the meeting on their own computers. First, make sure you're in your live Zoom meeting and that you're the host. Only the host or a co-host with the right privileges can grant recording permissions to others. Once you're in the meeting window, look along the bottom toolbar and click on Participants. This opens the Participants pane on the right side of your screen and shows everyone currently in the meeting. With the Participants pane open, move to the bottom right corner of that pane and click the three dots icon. On some versions, this may look like a small More menu. This menu holds quick host controls that affect what participants can do during the call. From that menu, select Host Tools for Participants. This brings up a focused set of options you can toggle on or off to manage what attendees are allowed to do. In this list, look for Record to Computer. Turn that option on. Once enabled, participants will be allowed to start a local recording on their own devices. That means their computers will save the video and audio, and they'll be responsible for the storage space and file location on their end. That's the entire process. Participants now have permission to record locally. It's a good practice to let everyone know recording is allowed and to remind them to follow your organization's policies and any local laws regarding consent. Zoom will also display and announce that a recording is in progress, helping keep everyone informed. If you don't see the Record to Computer option in Host Tools for Participants, it may be because you're not the host, your account administrator has restricted this feature, or you're using an older Zoom client. In those cases, check that you're hosting the meeting and that your Zoom app is up to date, and be aware that organizational settings can limit what's available. To recap, open Participants, click the three dots at the bottom right of that pane, choose Host Tools for Participants, and enable Record to Computer. With that single toggle, you've given attendees the ability to save a local copy of your session. That's all you need to do.